Dear students, in this unit we will talk about effect of genetic drift on allele frequency in a population. Now, genetic drift is a very important phenomena in when we talk about the evolution. It is actually a spontaneous fluctuation in the allelic population or the allelic frequency in a given population. Now, it's a process in which allele frequency within a population changes by chance alone or as a result of sampling error from generation to generation. So it's a spontaneous error, or you can say fluctuation, which takes place within the population. This is a random process that can lead to large changes in population over a short period of time. So it can have dire consequences within the population when we talk about the allelic frequencies. The consequences of genetic drift are numerous. It leads to random changes in allele frequencies. Certain frequencies can become more or increase in number as compared to the other frequencies, and this can has significant effects, including this drift can cause fixation of alleles through the loss of alleles or genotypes. So by this genetic drift, certain alleles can be permanently lost from that given population. This can also lead to fixation or loss of entire genotype in clonal organisms. Clonal organisms are the one where mostly their production is asexual. In many plant species, it can happen even in the species of fungi or microorganisms. That can also take place. It has significant role in the change in the allele frequencies. Now, chance events which leads to the genetic drift can have a much greater effect on allele frequencies in small population if we compare them with the large populations. For example, when a new mutation occur in a small population, its frequency is represented by only one copy among all the copies of that gene in a certain population. Now, typically, this genetic drift occurs in a small population where infrequently occurring allele face a greater chance of being lost. And once it begins, genetic drift will continue until the involved allele is either lost by a population, or it is the only allele which becomes present in that population at a particular locus. Now, this genetic drift has also a fundamental role in the neutral theory of molecular evolution. When we talk about this theory, only two main factors are responsible according to this theory. This variation in the DNA and protein sequence is explained by the balance between mutation and genetic drifts. These two factors are actually balancing each other's, and a typical balance among these two factors has given rise to this neutral theory of molecular evolution.